How to hide text messages on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide text messages on your iPhone. There's no strict way to do this, but I'll share a few handy workarounds. Plus, stick around for a bonus tip. So let's dive right in. First things first. What you need to do is you need to go to settings, then scroll down to the bottom, go to apps, and then search for messages. Tap on it, scroll down, and you'll find unknown and spam under message filtering. Just go ahead and tap on it, and you can toggle on filter unknown senders. Now, next step is come back and then go to notifications. Here, search for messages again, tap on it, and then here you can see in notifications there are various alerts like lock screen, notification center, banners. You can toggle on the lock screen if you don't want people to read your message from the lock screen. And you can scroll down and you can see the show previews option. You can tap on it and you can set it to when unlocked. That means when your phone is not unlocked, people won't be able to view your messages. So these are some of the ways that you can hide your messages on iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.